In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PDF file in WhatsApp on your laptop, PC, or computer. Whether you're working from home, studying, or just need to access important documents, this simple process will make sure you're never stuck without the information you need. Let's get started. First, ensure that your computer is connected to the internet because we're going to access WhatsApp Web or the desktop app. This is your gateway to all your chat conversations on a bigger screen. Open your preferred web browser. Most people use browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, but whatever you have installed will do just fine. Type in web.whatsapp.com if you're using a browser, or open up the WhatsApp desktop app if you've already installed it. Once there, you'll be greeted by a QR code on the home page. You need your mobile phone handy for this step. Grab your phone, open WhatsApp, then tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select WhatsApp Web or linked devices and scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Voila! You're logged in. Now, navigate to the chat where your PDF file resides. This is probably where someone has sent you the document you need. Click on the chat and you should see a list of all the shared files, including documents, images, and of course, PDF files. Once you spot the PDF file you've been looking for, click on it. This action will open up a preview screen where you can take a quick peek at its content without having to download it first. It's a nifty feature if you just want to check if it's the correct file quickly. After confirming it's the file you need, look for the download icon, which usually appears as a down arrow in most browsers and applications. Click this download button, and your file will start downloading immediately to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it might save automatically in your Downloads folder, or it might prompt you to choose a location on your computer. Either way, make sure you know where it's going so you can easily access it later. Once the download is complete, you're now ready to open the PDF file. To do this, locate the file on your computer. You can open it using any PDF reader program you have installed. Adobe Acrobat is a popular choice, but even if you don't have a dedicated PDF reader, most modern web browsers like Chrome and Edge come with a built-in PDF viewer. Simply right-click the file, select Open With, and pick your preferred reader. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've managed to open a PDF file from WhatsApp on your computer. This method is efficient and makes working with documents straightforward. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.